ChatGPT will make you superhuman. But only if you know how to use it correctly. Here's a crash course on ChatGPT for beginners. ChatGPT is the most powerful natural language AI ever created. It can answer almost any question you might have. You can now have a conversation and get exactly what you want. Here's how. Prompts. Let's start with a simple prompt. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Write your text. Hit enter. Get your output. Use the Regenerate Response button to get a new generation of the same prompt. Use the thumb up, down button to report feedback. Continuing conversations. You can continue conversations indefinitely. It takes reference of what you said earlier and pulls that context into new responses. What was the name of the first climber of that mountain? It knows that mountain is in fact Mount Everest. Preferences. I want to lose fat but gain muscle. But I don't know how. I can ask ChatGPT to give me a list of foods I should be eating. From this list, I can get a shopping list and cooking instructions. You get a conversation based on the context of your past prompts. Coding. Let's have a look at a more advanced example. How do I make a HTTP request in JavaScript? ChatGPT gives you context to what it's doing. Gives you the code snippets. Gives you a description of the code to generate legal templates. You can generate the structure for a privacy policy to your website. Whilst you might not use the document in its entirety, ChatGPT does the heavy lifting for you. Making tables. As well as code, ChatGPT has the ability to produce information as a table. Let's find the tallest mountains in the world and their height. Limitations. ChatGPT finished training in early 2022. This means it may not always produce accurate or appropriate responses. My advice: use ChatGPT as a tool with caution and critical thinking. Let it spark your imagination and allow your creativity take flight.